Good evening, everyone. My name's Derek Baxter, but for the purpose of the class, please call me Ross. That'll make it easier on me, in a way. Uh, you want to know three things interesting about me, right? I, I'm not good at this. Uh, for a long time, I used to do artwork, and I still kind of dabble with it every so often. I've got stuff on my computer somewhere I could maybe show if I felt like it on here. Uh, I've done a lot of research doing all sorts of stuff for a science fiction novel. That's actually something I'm kind of proud of. I've looked over everything from religion to astronomy, what you name it. I probably covered it at least at some point. I actually kind of developed my desire to do my degree from that too. So theoretical physics kind of sprang up from just something I ended up studying on a whim for that. Really, I let's see. Well, I do enjoy having a lot of just doing a lot of random projects and whatnot. There's you can't really see it behind me at the moment, but there's a large plastic drawer set over here that's actually full of fabric I've got for a project I'm doing for my niece. Making I'm trying to make clothing for a couple of dolls she's got. So there's that. I tend to pick up new ideas, new things on a kind of on a whim. So I really don't know what else to say there on that. You can mention something, and there's a good chance I'd covered it at some point or another. I hmm, I do have. It's like if I can speak for 3 seconds. I I do have a strange habit of no matter what I'm saying, I'm going to try and be as honest about it as I can. I have a severe distaste for lying and dishonesty, no matter what the case it may be, no matter the reason. Unless there's absolutely no other recourse that works, I would rather just wear my heart and my opinions on my sleeve if I can get away with it. So there's that. I and I want to say, hmm, I had something else there that kind of related to that. And it sort of fell out of my head. I'm very scatterbrained, very scatterbrained, very forgetful. The fact of making it through this video without having like my half joking ADD kick in somewhere in the middle of it, and me just kind of turn and look off into the distance, into like just into the middle distance, for the sole purpose of, oh, that looked interesting, grabbing my attention. It's kind of a miracle, really. But there was something else I think I kind of wanted to mention that's in the vein of maybe interesting. I like to keep an open mind and peruse and or believe the paranormal as a thing. It's kind of a guilty pleasure thing, more or less, but still. Ghosts, aliens. Uh, I'll just go ahead and submit my place as the oddball for that right here and now. Honestly, doesn't bother me any. So that's honestly that's about it. I don't think I actually have too much else I can share right off the top of my head. I'm tired. I'm actually kind of sick, so I don't feel that great. But here we go. I'm doing this anyway. Have a good one.